Greetings. We are fortunate to be living in a world which is so alive with stories and discoveries. An interest in current affairs is a wonderful legacy to give to our children because it ensures their connectedness to events across the globe. Our days are made up of a tapestry of innumerable stories, events, and breakthroughs, each of these shaping the society we live in. In this constantly evolving landscape, keeping abreast of current affairs is not merely a habit, but a vital discipline that plays an essential role in every child's intellectual upbringing. Now you may wonder, why should children concern themselves with the whirlwind of headlines and reports that define our era? The answer lies in cultivating an informed awareness, which in the future helps children to converse confidently on happenings and challenges that form part of the world arena. An awareness of global affairs is the first step towards building a foundation of making children into global citizens. Children who regularly stay updated with what is happening across the globe learn to develop multiple perspectives of issues and events. Moreover, children who regularly engage with news develop the ability to reason, question, and analyze, something which is an indispensable skill set. From a space mission to an environmental campaign or changes in government policies, children should be encouraged to discuss world events so that they begin to ask questions, thereby using critical thinking skills. Such discussions stimulate curiosity and challenge their faculties of judgment, instilling habits that perpetuate lifelong learning. Remaining informed enables children to be active and responsible participants in group discussions, debates, and even among friends and family. Such children also become adept in linking what they learn through books to real-world events. This also polishes their communication skills and builds self-confidence in them. As adults, it is our responsibility to steer children towards credible sources of news, encourage them to compare viewpoints, and instill the ethics of verification. When children remain in touch with current affairs, they inherit the legacy of awareness, action, and adaptability, preparing them to be responsible global citizens. Reading newspapers on a daily basis, highlighting important events taking place around the world, and regular discussions around these events are some of the ways in which children can cultivate an interest in global affairs. Let us remember that an informed child is not just a learner of today, but also a visionary of tomorrow. I hope we can all play a part in making our children develop an interest in the domain of current affairs so that they can grow up to be self-assured and well-informed young adults. Thank you.